If you'd like to learn more about how to get a tiki truck to your home, office, or set them up for your next fundraiser, simply visit us online at www.tikiz.com. In the top right hand corner, you'll want to click on Find a Tiki Truck. Right here in this address bar, you'll put in your zip code and click Search. This will pull up the Tikiz in your market. Let's click on Tikiz on the River. This pulled up Will and Brandy's page. Here you have their phone number. You have their Facebook page, YouTube, and Instagram. Also at the bottom of this page is a contact form where you can put more detailed information about your upcoming event. If you click on fundraising and events, it will download a brochure that has detailed pricing on all their different parties and packages. If you would like to have a tiki truck come to your home, office, work, book one for your next event or fundraiser, visit us at www.tikiz.com.